it an awesome session!
Saki, do you still have a fever? You're a bit flushed today, too.
You've got a fever, Saki? Why didn't you stay home?
No, I'm fine. I must be flushed from the excitement of thinking about going to the observatory with you guys tomorrow.
Are you sure that's all it is?
Yeah, so let's get started. Come on!
Okay, but tell us if you start feeling unwell. Let's not have it end like that time.
That's right. We can always practice some other time.
Cut it out! You don't need to worry so much. I'm glowing with health, see?
If you say so, but don't overwork yourself. Okay, let's get started.
I just thought that maybe we could do individual practice today. Then everybody can go at their own pace.
Yeah, I guess we could do that. In that case...
Oh, please! You don't have to make any accommodations for me. Let's stick with the original plan.
But, Saki...
I already did solo practice. Now I want to play together with you.
Well, if you're happy with this.
Absolutely! Let's get started already!
Okay, let's do this.
That went really well.
Yes, it was really smooth. We kept in sync throughout. You got really good at this, Saki.
You must have practiced on your own a lot. Saki, are you okay?
Huh? Ah, yeah. I spaced out thinking how happy I was I played well.
Excuse me, Saki, but I'm going to check your temperature with my hand.
What? No, Hona, don't!
Saki, your forehead's burning!
Huh?
It's nothing. It's normal for me to be a little warmer than most people.
Let me see.
Hey, don't squeeze my arm so hard.
You really are burning. It's just like that time when you fainted again.
Shiho.
Why, Saki? Why didn't you say anything? How many times did I tell you to take it easy? Why did you do something so irresponsible?
Why? It's because I really wanted to go to the observatory with you.
We can go whenever. Your health is more important.
No, we can't.
What?
We can't go whenever. I've missed out on so much of my life already.
Oh.
Okay, see you.
Saki.
Are you okay? Ichika, can you bring that chair over there?
Yeah.
Sit down, Saki. I'll get you a cold drink.
Okay, thanks.
I'm thinking of walking Saki home when she feels a little better, if that's okay with you.
Yeah, let's do that.
This should be okay now. I'm sorry for barging into your house and bossing you around.
No need to apologize. There's no one else in, and you helped me a lot. Thanks, Hona.
You're quick to take charge and always know what to do in situations like this. It's impressive.
I have a younger brother, so I'm used to it.
Shiho. I'm sorry for causing you trouble again.
Don't say that. Anyway, you rest up, okay? We'll talk when you feel better.
Shiho.